Hello, my internet friends. So I wanted to share with you some programs that we've made that basically for Discord takes everything that you say in the voice channel and automatically speech to text it in the voice transcript channel, okay, using the Google speech to text API. And I think the best is if I'll just show you how it works. And so first I have to create a session, okay. Just create it. I'll explain later what it does. Okay, so start the session, just give it a name, S1. And because I'm not such a good speaker, I think I'll just read from an article here on that I found in the internet. Okay, so after I created the session, now I just need to connect the voice channel. And it's connected, so let's read the text. Federal scientists predict 40 places in the US will experience higher than normal rates of so-called sunny day flooding this year because of rising sea levels and abnormal weather system. And stop. Okay, let's stop. And I'll write here stop, so it will process the speech to text. Okay, and as you see, it's Google. It's really fast. Okay, so it's connected. Let's read the text. Federal scientists predict 40 places in the US will experience higher than normal rates of circle sunny day flooding this year because of rising sea levels in the abnormal weather system. Okay, so yeah, this is my app's accent is a little bit weird, so Google Voice is not really good at interpreting it. I'm sure that if you are a native English speaker, it will be a lot more accurate. Okay, so as you see, there is some kind of a cost for that. It's like for 30 seconds, it's 1 cent. So if you make the calculation, it's about $1 for 40 minutes. It's really, really good. Not very expensive at all. And I think the use cases are really high. A lot of use cases for this. If you love efficiency like I do, I think it's a lot more efficient to speak than to write text, especially if you're not an English speaker, native English speaker like me myself. And so you just speak and it will just transcribe and give you the text. Some of the features that we have here, okay, is just you can create an MP3 and it will put it as an attachment here, okay, so you can download it and you can do with it other stuff. It's also like you can use this like a dictating machine, okay. So if you are a blogger, you can just read, just speak, and it will automatically almost write your blog post. So just think of how much time you will save on that. Okay, it's also like if you are a podcaster or a YouTuber, you can you can take the MP3 and feed it into the bot, and it will use the Google Voice API to give you the text. Okay, so just you can then take it to a podcast. If you are a podcaster, you can give your audience the PDF of the podcast that you've made. And if you are a YouTuber, you can also put it into the YouTube give the YouTube the transcript, so they will. It's good for SEO in the YouTube, so that's another benefit. Of course, maybe you will need to proofread it a little bit, but basically it just can give you a lot of benefits. And I think the best benefit is for chat. Okay, if you are using Discord a lot and you prefer voice. This can be when you're using voice in this social media, it just gives you like a box, and you have to play it in order to understand what's inside it. So this way, it's you can see what's inside the audio, so you can at least get a sense of what the user, the other person is saying. And you can decide whether you want to listen to the whole I don't know, 1 minute audio. Okay, so it's a lot more efficient. You don't need to listen to what you don't. It will just save you a lot of time. Okay, so just this benefit alone, I think it's worth a lot of. And I haven't seen anything like this for Discord. And some maybe there's things like this for other social media, but like even in that case, you know, sometimes you want to have control of your privacy, because this is something like it's an app that Google have it, but if some service, other third-party service is holding your voice, I don't know what they are going to do it this way. This is on your own server, and everything is so this is the best that you can do. And Google Voice, by the way, they support up to 80 languages, and this program that we've made is also going to support that 80 languages. And I think if you try to do something like, you can try to do something like this on your own if you're a developer, okay, but it's probably going to take you some time, and they're believing that we fixed some issues. It wasn't something that it takes 2 minutes to do. So we will take some kind of payment for this. If you want to have the code, okay, we can give you the code in a compiled version, okay. The price will be $197, and if you know how to install a Node application, JavaScript application on a server, this is just like this is what you need, okay. But if you don't, we can do that for you for another, let's say, $50, and we can add additionally for that an FTP server that you will be able to download the MP3 files. And so yeah, basically that's it. A server will, any server that support JavaScript, Node is good. So if you have one already, so that's great. If not, then I can give you like what I'm using. Okay, it's like $10 a month. So yeah, it's really cheap for what you can do with it. I believe that in the future this will be common in every thing. But if you want this right now, we can give it to you. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer. Okay, so until next video, bye bye.